So we've come to the end. This walk only took place because we could not undertake Operation Frankton, which was planned for December as a film and as an expedition. We couldn't get to France, and the distance of this walk was comparable to the escape and evasion route that Op Frankton had to follow. And in the absence of being able to get to France to do the real thing, it ended up being quite a spectacular way of covering the distance. 2,000 years ago, the Roman army rocked up in the north of England and built something which defies my imagination. How they did it with the equipment that they have, in the conditions that they must have found, hostile as they were, is just amazing. But they did it. So if you have it in your mind to get up and do something when this insanity ends, Hadrian's Wall is a bucket list tick. It was a delight to walk, and some serious training benefits have been accrued going forward. We're not necessarily sure it'll be this year because of continuing restrictions, but maybe filming for next year, the 80th anniversary, will be possible. So thank you for watching this film. Hopefully the others will be of interest. And please like, subscribe and share. A night, did we enjoy nights not under canvas?
Luxury!
Did we enjoy showers and the ability to go to the bog without having to walk through a squelching field?
Litre and a half of tea in the first 25 minutes.
That's a litre and a half of tea whilst we were getting the other car.
I lined them up on it.
So today we've dumped a car off at Wall's End. Hopefully we'll be able to get it out. If not, we're coming back by cab. Keys to car around my neck, just for the record. So about 15 miles down to the river, along the river, and it should be chilled out. And one wall. So, the guess now is that this is not going to be hilly.
No, I kept this pace up all the way, honest. Yeah.
In times of COVID trouble, things like this on the walk are damn rare. One of the things on the banks of the River Tyne, which is quite surprising, was the fact that there used to be a ford across it. Bearing in mind the size of the River Tyne at this point, that is a bit of a surprise. But at that ford, on the 28th of August 1640, the Battle of Newburn Ford took place. On one side of the river you had 4,500 English soldiers with a couple of dug-in positions. They were under the command of Lord Conway. On the other side you had 20,000 Scottish Covenanters under the command of Alexander Leslie. Well, the English positions were poorly chosen and were subjected to fire from a higher position. The English lost the battle and subsequently lost Newcastle to the Scots. Hadrian's old railway by the looks of things. I can't get away from the trains. Apparently this is paradise. I'm not convinced. Mostly disappointed at my bacon roll. There's no bacon, there's no roll. Well, having just wandered through some of the less salubrious parts of Newcastle, we find ourselves here, which looks somewhat upmarket. And coffee as well. So this morning we drove in and we needed to find somewhere to park, and so we drove down there and we ended up down here, and the lady who walked into there said that we can park in that corner. Now the question is, when we walk around the corner of that wall, is the gate open? And the answer is, yes it is. That there car has got our name on it.
It's got your name on it.
This is Hadrian's barn. There are two barns here, one slightly larger than the other. The one we were in has got 2 single beds and a camp bed, and that was fine for us. 130 quid a night, most amazingly stocked fridge ever. So, good value really. It's a nice position. You can't really see much, but get an idea that we're off the beaten track a bit. Namely, that beaten track. And we're done. So all it is now is a 5 or 6 hour drive back home. And I intend to sleep a lot.